To continue, the restaurants and eateries also and hotels can function with 50% capacity. So this also has been will be very strictly monitored, and again we have to ensure that the restaurants and eateries and hotels maintain this. Otherwise, again there will be a lot of serious repercussions of this. We do recommend though that in all the restaurants they should encourage takeaways and not allow people to sit for a long time and open their masks and talk, because that's really where the things spread. Uh, we will also allow the roadside markets, etc., to be opened so that the crowd can be dispersed and they be scattered and be in more open spaces. Uh, Public gatherings will be stopped for the next 14 days. Again, this is in Shillong area. Exceptions are given obviously for weddings and other social gatherings, but this has to be taken with private permission from the Deputy Commissioner. There will be restrictions in funerals also, though of course they will continue because they have to be continued and as per whatever situation. But there will be a lot of restrictions that will be put in there. There will be closure, as I mentioned, of certain tourist locations which see a lot of gathering. For example, locations like the golf links, which is very difficult to control, where we have no boundaries, no fencing, so people just simply gather. Whereas places like Watts Lake, it's easier to control. So we will ensure that places where we can control the crowd, those will continue. But places where we can't control the gathering, we will be closing those areas.